Ja pierdolę! Sumo wrestler, isn't it? Oh!
I can't do it again, I'm not allowed.
Wolverine?
Oh, should we get Tim on FaceTime? Let's get Tim.
How's Tim going to be about that?
Exactly. The Cena.
Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today we are once again heading up the country to see our friends at Colourcraft and see how they're getting on with our little Yaris GR. Now, if you remember last time you joined us, we had those slightly awkward looking wing mirrors and the guys were putting the kit into paint. Well, I've got the call and they say the kit is all painted up and ready to be fitted to the car. So we're going to waste no time, we're going to hop in the van now, head up there and see what they've got for us. Oh no, mate, matching.
Hey?
Matching looks so good on you in the last video.
Oh, should have.
Don't talk to me about the last video.
What did you do to them wing mirrors?
I don't know, but my therapist says if I don't stab anybody, then I don't have to go back to that big hospital with the bars on the windows.
Broadmoor. Broadmoor, yeah?
We are back and the kit is fitted to our little Yaris GR. Unfortunately today, this week, Tim has fallen ill, so we are without him. Dave is lost, but he's actually got to do some work.
You tell me you're going to say that, did you? Stand there and look gorgeous, you said.
Miss you, Tim. Get well soon. Modified that because before that was just flat, so made a vent in there.
Makes sense.
Yeah, that's all part of it. A lot of people do that sattings that don't stand out.
It was also two parts with
That's it.
there were bolts coming through here, so we sort of blended it all into one part.
It also had a bridge. There was a line that ran round here, like that, and that's the bit people do black. But
I
lost
get it. You lost it.
the whole line. Looks good, doesn't it, without that? Dave had to do some work on his own now. He's going to do work.
They didn't work anyway.
Oh, wing mirror caps. Don't give him
You're
to
doing
him.
that on purpose, aren't you?
Away from him.
Yeah.
There you go, like it never happened.
What?
We'll forget about that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It never happened.
Is that still there?
He sneaked it in. No, we
Are there in the bin?
No, there it is, man cave.
No, one's in the bin, isn't it? You
Where
made
is
me
it?
destroy it.
Let me have a look here. Let me admire you.
Where's the good one?
Check that bad boy out.
It's like Darth Vader and Batman had a kid.
That come out of my head.
Mate,
Scary place.
How do you take this off? Take it off.
It's only clipped on with one, so it'll pull off.
Wolverine?
So we've done all your mouth. Remember, you cut that little bar out. Little subtle touches.
He has to layer it, so I thought that.
Yeah, it's just obviously a little bit of polish. We've got a little bit to go round still, but we're not a million miles off. Not going back now, mate, is it?
no, I mean, it's like it's been the war zone, hasn't it? It's got holes in up here. Couldn't wait till you had his 3 days on.
Yeah, I ain't cheap.
Can you take that other one back? Can we put that other one in the box and just return it?
Not now.
Got the bonnet?
Mate, I think it looks sick.
The vent of the bonnet's lovely.
Yeah.
Looks quite good, just being white, doesn't it?
That was
You've got that option, do you know what I mean? You can always go back. Steve's been polishing it, and you, bless you.
Hello.
You don't want to go there, right?
No, I don't want to go here, right?
Lovely, thank you very much.
I bet it'd go fucking hole in there, that.
What are you thinking about?
I mean,
We've been here before.
I don't think stunts like that does this car justice.
He wants to hammer it, doesn't he? Like,
Yeah, mate. Elliot's back on track. No? Run at like 200 psi.
Listen, we'll put this other half on because you'll have a better look at it from this angle, and then yeah, we'll get it on and you can have a little look. Obviously, we weren't going to put the gaskets on because obviously, depending on the wrap guys.
I've got the design now.
Yeah, did I say that? You sent me. Did you send me? Yeah. Yeah.
I like your cut, G.
Just to let you know, this is out of a Aston Martin bonnet. These are. Yeah.
Fancy.
So you can say that Aston Martin mesh. That's it.
On the Yaris.
Japanese fiberglass body kit.
Should we get it on?
You can get it on.
Yeah, we need to learn how this goes on because this has got to come off when we wrap it.
Well, look, I've got my two favourite men here.
How's Tim,
They'll show you. Oh, should we get Tim on FaceTime? Let's get Tim.
How's Tim going to be about that? And I.
Yeah, we can hear you.
I love your outfit. Did you dress like that just for us?
Look, he's out. Don't go.
Nice bike, yeah?
Simon wants to have a little go on your bike.
Yeah, change crack on.
Yeah. Yeah. Go on then. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't let him on your bike, mate. He's dodgy.
His nuts are on your bike tank. You alright, mate?
Yeah, I'm okay, thanks.
Okay. Bless you. Well, we didn't think it was right to have all this going on and you not being here. No, we're going to prop you up somewhere so we can see. So we've got Justin and Dee are going to put the kit on. So, but yeah. Okay. Just you can watch us on the camera. Yeah. It's a bit of a time delay, I think. Oh, my wife's ringing. Tim's alright, thank you. We've just had him on FaceTime.
Oh, good.
It's
Recovering.
Yeah. You should check out their Autofinesse video. You're on it.
I'm alright.
You're a viral
Are
sensation.
you going to pay me for it?
Absolutely not. Thank you for that, Lizzie.
I don't hate the exhaust side. I know what you're saying. It's
It
straight.
needs just maybe a bit bigger.
I think it's probably right. It just needs to fill that hole a little bit more.
And come on the slam. Upsweep. Upsweep, innit?
Ups. No.
Yeah, mate.
DTM.
Yeah.
This is why we don't bring you out anymore.
Yeah.
How do people cut those wheel arches?
What do you mean?
Like the actual wheel arch when they put this body kit on?
They just cut it.
They cut it out. What's the matter?
Well, come here and have a look. I'm taking a picture direct of this wheel, right?
Yeah, well, this is the thing. So we were saying, how much do you take out? You're talking about this bit here.
Yeah.
I mean, how much do we take out? We can take it out because we've still got to address that. But then you lose it.
Yeah, but look, if
this
you
is what I
stand
don't
here,
like.
side,
You've got bit
you
areas.
take that out, then what? What you got going in there?
And this is why we have problems with this, because I was like, what do you do in there? It's like,
I think the real issue is how far forward this comes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this comes so far this way, really.
That should have been, like,
meant to
flanked
be
off
hit,
here,
but
innit?
obviously, that's not the shape of the body
No.
kit.
so what would they do? They leave that white, this is the bit that's been confused, because we were going to paint all this in air black,
Yeah.
but then
But then you wouldn't match, would it?
you can't keep that, but you need the white, you need to see white, in, or you need to see,
It needs to be black in there, doesn't it?
well, it's up to you, but then when do you stop here? You don't do this black, do you?
No.
What do you mean, the in of it?
Oh, this has been boiling our heads. We've had this discussion now in the times because you're sort of thinking,
I think you go black from here down there.
yeah,
So
okay.
this is black,
So then
So the
beyond
vent
fence,
black.
you wouldn't see
Yeah.
black.
and then
You want this?
this side,
Leave that.
yeah, you want to see white.
Because even if you have this bit painted black, it will just take away from.
Yeah, it'll take that
from
away from
shape,
it. Yeah.
innit?
Plus, if I'm honest, you're gonna have to try and cleaning and getting in there and all sorts. It's gonna be a
That's my job from now.
okay.
I watched the car.
You got the wing.
We That's a wig. It's not built. It's. Can we just throw some bolts in the vice to put that in?
What are you doing?
No, not then. Could we not just offer it on just so they can see it with it on? Is that yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on, my mum's calling. The ironing board's missing. Hello? Yeah, I found it, mum. It's right there. Massive, isn't it?
Yes.
Little bit big. Yeah, but without it, he needs it.
Yeah. Right.
The rest of the body kit's so narrow, he needs a little wing, innit?
Something naughty as well because they've just got the Recaro standard.
Why don't you retrim him in bride?
Because they're Recaro.
Exactly. The scene up. Has Recaro ever done like a special Asian trim on their seats?
They do a grey and black gradient, didn't they? Material. You know, they do a grey and black Recaro gradient. Well, I think just do them in like an Alcantara. Put the Recaro back in the headrests, but then bring some teal stitching in to the edges. That look good.
Till Recaro.
Yeah. It's only two seat covers. It's easy to do.
I'm all over that.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah. I've got Simon in the front there.
So next week then.
Next week, mate.
Done.
Yep.
Dusted.
Next Thursday. Take it away.
We come with a trailer.
It's going.
Try and get it in for a wrap.
Yeah.
Quick
Come on.
visit for us.
Yeah.
Hour done. See how quick it works when Tim's not here. Everything
Yeah,
goes
flows.
We do miss you though, Tim.
Get well soon, mate.
You need to be here for the next episode, otherwise you're going to miss out on all the good stuff.
Yeah. I'm sure it'll be next week. Yes, with his gown on.
Oh,
And his bag.
he'll fully put it on, won't he?
Yeah. Look,